Do the EEPROM 9. No, this is not the IBM 5150. I'm waiting on discs before I can really do any more on that. So, but we've got the RAM issues fixed, so heads up on that one. So that'll be coming. But look at this. We remove the CPU and look at what we get on the little monitor. Yes, I converted it to run on 5 volts to make my life easier, and then just use some cheapo power bank, freebie power bank. Now what happens when I plug in the proper CPU? We'll obviously turn it off first. I have also plugged in the standard 6502 and it did the exact same thing of nothing, and the CPU just gets hot. So if we pop it in, if we can do this one-handed like this, and no, I don't have enough 40-pin sockets, so I made one. Because I'm building this with what I have on hand, not what I... Go on, get in the bloody holes. Hang on, I'm going to have to put you guys down. Da, 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 da. Right, now that side isn't just completely and utterly bent up. I'm hoping that's enough for it to do something. Or do nothing. The power LED's on the keyboard, which you can actually see. Especially when I put my finger to it. But nothing comes up on the screen. There's stuff going around on the scope, and I did only use a well, I couldn't be asked to set up a proper scope, although I could use my Rigo up there, which I'm going to have to next, because I need a more advanced scope than the 1980s portable Sinclair one. Yes, I have one. It lives up there. So yeah. We need to figure out what the hell's going on, and I'm suspecting, well, let's be honest, it's quite often this. I should just replace the RAM and see if we get anything boot or anything, because so many times these sorts of issues are down to the RAM. But yeah. So I'm going to order some RAM and we're going to see what that does, and we'll basically end up... I'm also going to order another one of these CPUs just in case. And I'm going to order some RAM, solder in a new RAM, and see what happens next, because so many times this is due to faulty RAM. You know, I had an Electron which the RAM died in. It's just the bare board, which is why there's going to be an Electron laptop Mark II, because I've got a bare board, so might as well make a laptop with it. I've even got ordered a solid state storage solution for the Electron, because finally one exists. It's expensive, but it exists. But now I have a job, a proper job, that I can afford to put in actual resources into my projects. It's fantastic. Thanks for watching.